Welcome back to this English learning throughout. Let's get started. Asparagus. Bamboo shoots. Bitter gourd. Bok choy. Broccolini. Cabbage. Cassava. Cauliflower. Celery. Chayote. Cucumber. White radish. Dandelion greens. Eggplant. Endive. Fennel. Garlic. Ginger. Green beans. Kale. Kohlrabi. Leeks. Lettuce. Malabar spinach. Mustard greens. Okra. Parsley root. Green peas. Pumpkin. Capsicum. Radicchio. Carrot. Red radish. Shallots. Collard greens. Snake bean. Spinach. Spring onion. Squash. Sweet corn. Sweet potato. Turnip. Watercress. Zucchini. Beetroot. Bottle gourd. Snow peas. Seaweed. White radish.
Fantastic! You are on the right learning track. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and comment for more lessons like this.